Hi, welcome to the How Do I video series for Microsoft Dynamics NAV 2015. My name is Mark Brummel and I'm an MVP for Microsoft Dynamics NAV. In this video we will look at how easy it is to update Microsoft Dynamics NAV from Excel. We will do that from two scenarios. In the first scenario we will look at copying and pasting from the general journal, and in the second scenario we will do the same for sales orders. John is a bookkeeper at Kronos International and his job is to manage accounting. And as part of his task is to create general ledger entries for the company's salaries. John is using the Bookkeeper's Role Center and he uses the general journals to create the entries. We've prepared a How Do I batch where normally John would have to create all the lines one by one, selecting the account numbers. But John gets all of the entries from his accountant in Excel, and in Excel he can easily copy all of the information, and then in NAV we have a new option, paste rows, where all of the columns are copied and pasted from Excel and validated in the same order as the columns that I have in my general journal. So instead of typing in every line one by one, I can just easily paste whatever I get from my accountant and save a lot of time creating the entries. Now that this works, we can also reverse the process by selecting the rows, copying the rows, and then in Excel we paste the information. Now we can use the power of Excel to change the description from all the lines, and then we simply select all the rows, we copy it again, and then in NAV of course we have to delete the lines, and now we can simply select paste rows, and the information that we just edited in Excel is now pasted into NAV. Here we can combine the power of Excel with the power of Microsoft Dynamics NAV 2015. The second scenario would be Susan, the Kronos International order processor, who has to make a change to a large order. Our customer, the Canon Group, has placed an order for these items, and the current quantity is 10, and they want to make the change and order 12 of each of these items. Instead of making the change in NAV, we copy the rows to the clipboard and paste the information in Excel. Here we can use the power of Excel to quickly make changes to the order, and this would even be more efficient if we have an order with, for example, 100 lines. And now we can copy the information back to the clipboard, and in NAV of course we have to delete the existing lines, and after having done that we can paste the information back, and now the changed information is pasted into NAV, and I can combine the power of Excel with the power of Microsoft Dynamics NAV 2015. In this video we have combined the power of Microsoft Excel with Microsoft Dynamics NAV for the general journal and the sales order process. The topics we covered in the video are copying and pasting between Excel and Microsoft Dynamics NAV, which saves time and allows the users to be more efficient, and it works in every editable list in Microsoft Dynamics NAV 2015. Thanks for watching this video. I'm looking forward to seeing you again in another episode of the How Do I video series for Microsoft Dynamics NAV 2015. This video was made in collaboration with Platan, a Microsoft Dynamics Learning Center from Belgium, and Microsoft.